The treatment of oil sludge has long been a significant environmental challenge in the petroleum industry. Traditional methods often suffer from inefficiency, resource wastage, and the risk of secondary pollution. Beston's pyrolysis technology, with its core goals of reduction, resource utilization, and harmless disposal, offers the industry a more intelligent and sustainable solution. Beston pyrolysis equipment utilizes PDU to efficiently convert oil sludge into fuel oil, synthetic gas, and stable solid residues. The fuel oil can be directly used for industrial energy needs, while the synthetic gas is recycled through a thermal energy system to power the equipment, significantly reducing external energy consumption. The treated solid residues have a very low oil content and can either be safely disposed of or used as raw materials for construction. The system is equipped with multiple purification units, ensuring that the exhaust gases and wastewater are thoroughly treated to meet environmental standards, achieving a fully clean operation process. Beston's oil sludge pyrolysis combines thermal washing treatment and pyrolysis technology, making the recovery and utilization of oil sludge more efficient. This advanced system transforms waste into valuable materials, ensuring both environmental sustainability and economic benefits.